So, can we kill the lights, please? What I'm thinking is this. Yesterday, we did parts 2, 3, and 4. So I'm making a very brief video now to put up on the website. So I'm going to show you the answers to all the questions after the first page. But I really don't think you're going to need to go over those questions because we did them all together yesterday. However, we did not do the first page together. So I want you to take a look at this first page and see if you have any questions on it.
Is this today?
This is from yesterday.
Oh,
Question? Not yet. We're going to wait till we're done going over this, then we'll let you go. Assuming you have enough passes left. Yes?
Hold on. Yeah, that's yesterday's number.
Yep, this is all yesterday's work. Remember, you were supposed to finish this at home if for some reason you didn't finish it here. Any questions? Okay, I'm going to scroll up then. So I guess what this means is that you're all ready for the work on tomorrow's test. Do not put an X on number 8. Just put 7 over 2. Right? Don't make it 3.5. Just no X.
you can do X equals.
No. They're looking for the slope. The slope is the number in front of the X. It's 7 over 2. That's it. Okay, yes?
So we can't do 3.5.
If you put it, I would give you credit, but you want to avoid the whole idea of a decimal with a slope. Yes?
How did you get 2 for number 7?
Oh, because it's not 5 divided by 1, it's 1 divided by 5.
Oh.
So you have to do 5 goes into 1.0, and that's like going into 10, which is 2, but it's got to be 0.2. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Any other questions? Yeah, I should have shown that. I didn't. I just kind of did a little assuming there, and I shouldn't have assumed. You know what they say. Okay, I just want to show the answers to the next ones in case you go home tonight and you have a little bit of a hard time remembering. Here's numbers 9 and 10. Okay. Number 9 might be the easiest question on the whole test. Okay, what's the y-intercept? It's 10. And then number 10 is negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2, just doing the slope formula there. Okay?
Oh.
Question on 9 or 10, Davis?
Why doesn't the X come first? Go on top?
No, you definitely put the y's on top. The slope formula has the y's on top and they go first. And to be honest with you, Davis, that to me is the hardest part of the slope formula. Because your whole life, x's come before y. And all of a sudden, they're giving you something where the y comes before x, but it does. Yes?
Does it matter if I never mind.
Order is not important as long as it's maintained. If you go left to right, then left to right. If you go right to left, then right to left. But you can't switch them. What's that?
This is the hardest I see this class ever.
Don't jinx it. All right. Now,
Okay, that's nice to write.
here is the answer to yesterday's graph. Again, we did the question yesterday, so I'm not going to really talk about it right now. But for those who need to look at this, you will have the video to look at tonight. Okay? Here's number 12 that we did yesterday.
Oh.
Okay, number 13. And last but not least, number 14, where you have to translate it into, 3 donuts and 2 coffees equals $5.50. That's the first equation there. And then a donut is 50 cents less than a coffee. That's the second equation. And then you just start solving the algebra. Okay, what are these worth? Like 10 each, 12 each, 15 each? 15 each. So, yeah, for every question, number 11, 12, 13, 14. For every one of those you cannot do, it's 15 points off your test grade.
Even if you get 3 wrong, that would be.
Well, it depends which 3. If you get the last 4 right, and you get just 3 of the other ones wrong, you get an 85. But if you get 3 of them wrong in the last 4, and you don't show any work or get any partial credit, you would get a 55.
55.
Yeah, you gotta be ready for these last 4 questions. They're the most important ones. Okay, any other questions?
No.
All right, keep working on the sheets that you're working on now. I hope next period to scan the answers into that one and make up another video and be able to put the video up on the website tonight so that you'll be able to watch both videos and make sure you're able to get things right.
Are we going
Okay.
over into this?
I'm hoping to do that in just a couple of minutes.